This question says a stone is dropped from the top of a tower 340 meters high, falls into, this should be 340 meters high, falls into water of pond near the base. Find the time when the splash of the sound is heard. Given velocity of sound is 340 meter per second and g is 10, that is 10 meter per second square. I'm sorry. Yeah. So what is the time taken by the body to reach ground? Let's calculate that first. So this is 340 meters. I'll use the formula S equal to ut plus half at square. Now S is 340, u is 0, half a is acceleration due to gravity 10 into t square. So that gives me 340 by 5 equal to t square. So 5 6 30, or we have t square equal to 68, or t equal to root 68 seconds. This is the time taken. I'll call it as t naught. This is the time taken for the stone to reach the surface of the pond. Now square root of 68 is 8.246 seconds. So it's approximately 8.25 seconds. Now after the splash is produced, the sound of splash travels with a speed equal to speed of sound to the observer, 344 meter per second. So I'll call that as t1. Time taken by the sound to reach the observer from the surface of the pool is 340 by 345, that is equal to 1 second. So the total time t equal to t naught plus t, that is equal to 8.25 plus 1, that is 9.25 seconds. So the answer for this question is option D, 9.25 seconds. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.